Good morning, guys. Morning, guys. We are actually at Dubai International Airport. Here we're looking at. We are just going to be. We are heading to the. We are heading to the. What you call to the flight. Then we're waiting for these guys to let us know to get off. Right, so now here guys, we are actually entering the flight. We are entering, as you can see there, there's the one coming in, a little bit noise, but you can see we are getting into this big thing, this big thing. We are heading up. We are heading up. All of us are heading up. Heading up. We are actually at the tail of the plane. That's where we are. Right.
The number.
A, B, C, D, E.
The number.
41. All right. So now we are looking for 41. 41. A, B, C, D, E. 41. All right, so 41. A, B, C. A, B, C. Yeah, Jay can take the window.
We take 3 of these and put them.
A, B, C, D. Okay, take the window. D, E. So we are here. Me and Mamu will sit here. Me and Mamu will sit here. Right. So we sorted. Jake, you've got a window now. You want it, my boy? Right, we sorted now. So now we are inside the plane.
So we got
Yeah, so yeah, this is actually the second flight from Dubai to Cape Town. Yeah,
Is it D?
yeah, D, E, yeah. A, B, C, D, E, yeah. Sit here. Yeah, all right, so now, as you can see here now, so everyone is just trying to come in. We are just waiting for the rest of the people to come in. We should be leaving soon. Yeah. So the flight today being the 28th of June. So as you can see, everyone is just gonna be coming inside the plane. So we are going to be all inside the plane, so everything is going to be sorted. All right, so guys, until then we meet again. We'll keep you posted on our next journey, guys. Right, thank you.